In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a Rumble video on PC. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. So you can see I opened a rumble.com on my MacBook. So I need to choose a video first. So you can see this is a video. I can choose this one. Then I need to click on this three dot and just click on share. Then again click this link. And keep in mind this is my own video and I have a lots of channel, so I cannot download to others people videos. This is a YouTube rules and regulation. So you can type Rumble video download on online. So I charge on this Google Chrome, then you need to paste this link on here. So you can see this is a Rumble authority, maybe I don't know actually. Just paste my target link, then click best quality. Wow, you can see it's already found this video. Just click on download best quality and again click this three dot, then again click. You can see it's already start download on my computer. That's it. It's easy method. I hope you can doing this all perfectly. Thanks for watching. See you again.